it's nighttime. And medyo open wound siya, so gusto lang namin Hey guys, so it's almost 12 p.m. and may ano kami today, may outing kami sa Mendoza family naman. Today is May 1, so 3 more days, paalis na ako, nakakaloko, diba? So, mag-fix na tayo ng gamit natin and then we're gonna get ready na din. And then, yeah, so I think tomorrow yung pinaka-last happy days ko dito sa Pilipinas kasi tomorrow is my despedida as well. So, back to reality na naman tayo. But it is what it is. Okay. Mendoza outing kami ngayon. Tapos, each family members kailangan magdala ng food. So, titignan natin kung may dala silang food. If wala, papaalisin natin sila. Food sa family. So, magtatanong tayo. Unahin natin yung mga nag-plan. Unahin natin yung mga nag-plan. Ito si Ate Beng. Siya yung isa sa planner girl. Anong dala mo?
Ginebra San Miguel. Joke lang, fried chicken.
Wow, dami! Ikaw, anong dala mo? Anong dala mo?
Gulay, healthy living.
Taray!
Oh!
Siyempre, Jollibee! Yeah! Gusto ko yung humanap sila ng magandang pwesto. Anong dala nyo?
Cordon bleu.
Then, fish fillet. Taray, yayamanin. Ay, sakto lang.
This is our special spaghetti. Pwede ka pang spaghetti pababa o pataas.
Taray!
May mani pang dala.
Ay, wala pala kayong dala ha.
Pauwi na daw pag hindi ko man niya.
Ayan! Yan. Anong dala mo?
Siyempre, ito pang barbecue yung manok. Kaya na namin.
Ano yan? Barbecue!
Dala ko, ito lang.
Palaman!
Breakfast. Yan. Tsaka soft drinks.
Yes! Yes! Yan, nagkakagulo na po yung... Kaya pa. Anak! Anak pa mo!
Damot naman, be. Tumago na ito.
Damot naman, pahingi nga! Pahingi nga lang!
Sinubo ng
I ain't wanna be with you. Ay, I ain't wanna be with. I ain't wanna be with you. Ay, I ain't wanna be with. I ain't wanna be with you. Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. some shit. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson.
Ito si Kuya Puroy, nagagayad ng pakwan.
Watermelon.
Wow! English!
Siyempre.
Dinner time na. Nag-arrange lang kami dito ng mga foods.
Quality control.
Kaso nga lang, may pusa.
I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to.
May nananaginip pa dyan mamaya, nanalangoy pa. Ha? May nananaginip pa nanangoy. Malamig ba yung water? Okay. What? Kaya mo yung lalim Malamig ba? Malamig. Ngayon pa. Kanina pa. Wow.
Today, then catch today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love, still love, still love, still love and still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got in pages. Talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. No break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever.
A few moments later.
Ano naman?
Gagaling yan.
Kuya, tumingin ka.
Anong kaya nakasombrero? Patagal na sombrero mo, lalo ka mapupuloy.
Yan na nga po ang nangyari sa aming outing. Patingin nga ng ipin. Patingin nga! Patingin nga! Dadalhin namin siya sa hospital kasi na ano yung and medyo open wound siya. So, gusto lang namin Hindi! Akin na ka! Ano? Ayan. Oh, layas na! Go na!
Ay, kaka.
Oo, pasaan ka na! Araga! Oh, lasing na nga! Tug! Mang Kepweng.
Okay na.
Okay na. Bye, ingat kayo. Ang pasyente! Ang pasyente!
The next day.
Ito na yung pinaka-stressful at malungkot na part.
Ito damit?
Ay, hindi. TikTok yan.
dito siya mag-shopping.
Ko, oo daw.
The next day. "24 hours later."
Back to reality na ako.
Time check. Ngayon po, kami ay nasa Startol. May pasok pa ako ng 8. Tingnan nyo naman, 6.
Saan ka kakain? Expired.
Hoy, saan kayo? Jollibee? Ako naman ang mauuna ngayon.
Hi! Hi!
Iyakan na.
Sabi ng mga ano ko, kamukha mo daw si Ataka.
Ka magalit. Ay, ganyan din sa akin. Iced tea, may iced tea. Iced tea na lang.
Ice tea. Walang any addition.
Dadikit
Ay, kutsara! Excuse me!
Open ito.
Gutom na gutom